Hi everyone, this is Phuong and Emma. I'm a local realtor here in Walnut Creek, California, and I'm with Better Homes and Gardens. Emma, who are you working with?
I work for New American Funding. Again, my name is Emma with New American Funding, and we are going to discuss the most common question which is about down payment assistance program. Do you qualify for down payment assistance? You want to know how it works? Then this video.
Or do they have to be the first time home buyer?
Or do you have to be a first time home buyer? So this is your video.
This is a great program, Emma. I get asked a lot. A lot of clients come to me for the same question. So the number one question I get to ask is that, does everyone qualify for the down payment assistance? What do you think?
Not everyone qualifies for down payment assistance program. It all depends on their income, their credit score, and then if there have been a first-time home buyer, they have not owned a property for more than 3 years.
Okay, great.
The good news is that there are different assistance programs that if you don't qualify in one, you might qualify in another program.
So are you saying that there are multiple different programs out there pretty much for everyone?
Yes, there's a lot. There's a few down payment assistance programs that are available. So if you don't qualify on one, you may qualify on another one.
Awesome. Here is question number 2, Emma. What are the most basic requirements for the down payment assistance? Would you share, please?
Every program is a little different, but they're all the same requirements, which is your credit score. You have to meet the minimum requirement for a credit score, for your income. Also, it has to be a primary resident. Some you have to complete a down payment, a first-time homebuyer course, and of course you have to qualify for the loan itself, the mortgage itself, and the assistance program itself as well.
So the third question, Emma, do they have to be the first-time home buyers to qualify for the program?
Well, that's the biggest misconception, because people think that they might not qualify, not knowing exactly, and that's what they need to ask the loan officer to see if they qualify. But as long as you haven't owned a home for 3 years, so if you previously owned a home over 3 years ago, then today it makes you a first-time home buyer if it's been 3 years that you haven't owned the property.
Great. Right. Here comes question number 4. How much assistance do people get, Emma?
Well, it varies depending on the program, and sometimes you'll get a percentage of the loan amount, or sometimes you'll get a fixed amount. They help you with the down payment and the closing costs.
Nice. Here comes question number 5, and I am curious as well. Is this down payment assistance money, is it free money?
Wouldn't that be nice?
I know, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes it's yes and sometimes it's no. There is the grant that one doesn't not to be repaid. There's a second loan that one, it could be deferred. It could be forgivable after a number of years. And then also you will need to pay it off at the time of refinance, you will sell the home, or at maturity.
Okay, all right. Okay, here is the complicated question, Emma. This is a question number 6, by the way. So can this down payment assistance program be combined with a different loan program?
Yes, they will need to be paired with either an FHA or a conventional program, or it could be another program that it meets the program guidelines.
Oh, okay, great.
The key is making sure that the loan program and the assistance program are compatible.
And Emma, the last question I get the most is, how do they know if they qualify, and what is the first step that people need to do?
Well, in that case, they need to contact a lender a loan officer like me, so we can look at your income, your debts, your home buyer goals, and we can put you in a home.
Awesome. Okay, so again, would you give out your information, please? If people want to contact you to get in touch with you for more questions. I know it's hard to navigate by yourself out there, but we are here to help.
So from there, you can just reach out to me anytime. I'm here. Just go ahead and DM me, and I'm here to help you out and get you to the right program, the down payment assistance program.
Thank you, Emma. That's awesome. So we're gonna include our information down in the description box below. So feel free to reach out. Like I said, we're here to help, and we cannot wait to get you into a new home.